Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best LG refrigerator water line kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for ensuring your LG refrigerator dispenses clean, fresh water and ice, and while it might seem like a simple accessory, choosing the right one can significantly impact the taste of your water, the longevity of your appliance, and the ease of installation, making it a crucial decision for any homeowner looking to maintain their refrigerator's optimal performance and their family's health. Number 5. Metpure Icemaker Fridge Quick Installation Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy Icemaker water line installation. It features a 25-foot tubing, a heavy-duty brass adapter with a shut-off valve, and a quick connect fitting for your appliance. The tubing is made from a highly flexible and durable material that resists cracking and impact. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting water line for your refrigerator. Enjoy safe, odor-free, and great-tasting water thanks to the NSF-certified tubing. The lead-free brass valve further guarantees that your drinking water remains pure and compliant with safety standards. Installing this kit is incredibly simple. The universal adapter fits most existing valves and lines, and the quick connect fitting requires no tools. A built-in shut-off valve allows for easy maintenance. This kit is incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of appliances. Connect it to your refrigerator, ice maker, coffee brewer, water dispenser, and more for a convenient water supply. What we like. This kit offers exceptional durability with its flexible LLDPE tubing, resistant to cracks and impacts. The solid brass universal adapter T ensures a robust connection. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable solution for your ice maker or water dispenser, this is a great choice. What people say. The water line is easy to install and works perfectly. This kit includes everything you need to connect your refrigerator to the water supply. The tubing is flexible and durable, making it easy to route around cabinets and appliances. Number 4. HippoHose Refrigerator Icemaker Hose, 20 feet. Connect with confidence. Our Icemaker hose is designed for a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with all major refrigerator brands, whether for your home or business. Enjoy peace of mind with every glass. This supply line is UPC certified and lead-free, making it safe for delivering water to your ice maker or dispenser. Experience a reliable connection. It features a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch brass fittings that provide a solid and secure link to both your refrigerator and the water supply. Built to last and protect. This hose is burst-proof, designed to withstand higher water pressure for enhanced safety and durability in your home. Installation is a breeze. Its flexible design allows for easy bending without kinking, perfect for tight spaces and quick setups by homeowners or contractors. Crafted for longevity. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and maintains its form, ensuring a durable water supply line. What we like. This option features a high-quality stainless steel braided hose that is corrosion-resistant and bendable without kinking. Its universal fit makes it compatible with all refrigerator brands, and it's burst-proof for added safety. If you prioritize durability and a secure, leak-free connection across various brands, this hose is ideal. What people say. The waterline kit is a perfect fit for the refrigerator. Easy to install and works great. Includes all the necessary parts for a quick setup. Number 3. Icemaker Waterline Kit. Connect it to virtually any refrigerator, regardless of brand or model. It's perfect for linking your water filtration or reverse osmosis system to your ice maker or water dispenser. Crafted from food-grade materials, this kit meets strict NSF/ANSI standards and is BPA-free. Enjoy peace of mind with crystal-clear ice and pure-tasting water for your family. Setting it up is a breeze. With standard push and quick connect fittings, no special tools are needed. Clear instructions will guide you through a quick and easy installation. The included accessories are designed for exceptional safety and durability. You can rely on this kit for years to come without needing replacements. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need. It includes a 25-foot water line, various T-fittings for different outlet sizes, a shut-off valve, and all necessary adapters and compression fittings. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation with push-in quick connect fittings and NSF-certified food-grade materials for safe drinking water. It also includes multiple T sizes to accommodate different filter outlets. If you need a versatile and user-friendly kit that ensures water safety and works with various filtration systems, this is a strong contender. What people say. The waterline kit was easy to install and worked perfectly. It connected seamlessly to my refrigerator and the water flow is excellent. The kit included all the necessary fittings for a quick and secure installation. Number 2. Fridge Waterline Kit, 20 feet. Ensure your family enjoys crystal clear ice cubes and pure water. Our Icemaker hose is made with food-grade PX materials, ensuring it's safe for potable drinking water. This water line is perfect for connecting to ice makers, refrigerators, RO systems, and drinking water faucets. It's compatible with all major refrigerator and ice maker brands. Installation is a breeze, even for DIYers. With secure brass compression fittings and a built-in sealing ring, you can complete the setup in minutes with no leaks. The outer layer is wrapped with superior grade 304 stainless steel braided wire. This provides excellent anti-rust and explosion-proof performance for a long service life. Our kit includes a T-stop valve for easy water flow control and clear instructions. This helps you complete your work easily and quickly. What we like. Featuring a food-grade PX inner tube and a durable 304 stainless steel braided outer layer, this line offers excellent rust-proof and pressure-resistant performance. It comes with a T-stop valve for easy water control. If you're looking for a robust, long-lasting solution with convenient shut-off capabilities, this kit is a solid pick. What people say. The waterline kit was easy to install and worked perfectly. This kit provided everything needed for a quick and clean installation of the waterline. The materials in the kit are high quality and durable. Number 1. Refrigerator Waterline Kit, 25 feet. This kit is designed to fit most refrigerators, ice makers, and water dispensers. It's also compatible with standard under-sink filtration and reverse osmosis systems. Enjoy crystal clear ice cubes and delicious pure water. Our kit is made with food-grade materials, tested to meet NSF/ANSI standards, and is BPA-free. The lead-free brass adapter ensures safety. Setting up your new water line is a breeze. With standard push-in quick connect fittings and clear instructions, you can complete the installation in just minutes. Invest in quality that lasts. The accessories included in this kit are built for durability, ensuring safe and reliable performance for years to come. This comprehensive kit includes everything required for installation. You'll find 25 feet of tubing, various adapters, fittings, a shut-off valve, and a tube cutter. What we like. This kit provides a lead-free brass adapter and chrome-plated splitter, ensuring safe and clean potable water. It includes all necessary parts, even a tube cutter for a precise installation. If you need a comprehensive kit with high-quality, safe components for connecting to RO systems or refrigerators, this option is highly recommended. What people say. The water line was easy to install and worked perfectly. It fit my LG refrigerator without any issues. The kit included all the necessary parts for a quick setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.